Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today I'll be doing a 24-inch deep wave lace wig install, and today's hair is provided by Alipearl hair. Now I'm just going to jump straight into this tutorial and begin the installing process. Now, as you know off camera, you want to go ahead and clean the hairline, do your ball cap method, and I'm just going to jump right in while with applying the Ruby Kisses foundation in level 16. I am using a combination of both of those shades, and I'm just going to apply that on the inside and top of the lace. Now, as I mentioned, this is a deep wave, 24-inch deep wave wig from Alipearl hair, and this wig is really full. It is a 180% density wig, so that tells you about the fullness of the wig. Most wigs are typically between 130 to 150, and 180 on up means the wig is more full. So for today, I'll be doing a simple side part look and just, like wetting the curls and just brushing through them to get that wet look effect at the end of this tutorial. But right now, I'm just going in with my layers of lace matte adhesive, and once I get all of my layers applied, I will begin to pull my lace down into the glue. Now, what I love most about this lace wig, like the lace was really thin, so it really gives you that really melted look, because once I razor away the extra lace, like it blends so perfectly, and that's why I like working with thinner lace, because it really makes that lace disappear into the skin once you are done with your melting process. So after I finish blow drying the lace in, I will begin to cut off the extra lace and tack down whatever else is lifting. And as you can see already from this point of view, which I went ahead and zoomed in some more for you guys, the lace is really melted already, and I'm not even done with the melting process. It's very thin and it's blending perfectly with her skin tone. Now that I have all of that lace tech down, I'm just going to go in with my wax stick first and kind of hot comb out the roots, and then I will go ahead and spray the Tresemme across the hairline and then tie it down with the elastic band. Now after removing that melt belt, I'm just going to go ahead and begin parting off my side part. I don't want it to be a deep side part, so I'm really going for like a regular side part. And then once I get everything sectioned off, you know, pull down the section for where my baby hairs will be, I will go ahead and wax stick that hairline and hot comb everything out so it's nice and pressed from the roots. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the baby hairs for this other side as well, and then I will begin to raise it down and start to swoop my baby hairs. Now, if you guys been tuning into my channel, then you know my baby hair method is doing it with the holding spray, and I sometimes use that in combination with the mousse. But if you like to use gel or whatever else, feel free to use with you know, which works best for you. But this is just my way of doing things. So now that I have my baby hairs in place and laid, I'm just going to go ahead and conceal and black spray up my part now, well, up her part now. And then I'm going to go in with some mousse and just really brush those curls out and get all the curls defined. I did want the wet look, so that's why I decided to go in with the mousse. I didn't really want to use the water and conditioner method today. And you can just apply as much mousse as needed to get the curls to how you want it to be. And I just went ahead and detangled the hair. And this is pretty much the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you guys for tuning in.